Let us go through with the next question, that is question number 20. The correct order of increasing basic nature for the bases ammonia, methylamine and dimethylamine, that is CH3 twice NH, dimethylamine in the aqueous solution is. So already we have discussed this. As we know that as the number of alkyl groups, increases, extra electron density also increases. Hence, dimethylamine will be more basic as compared to that of ammonia. Hence, the sequence can be written as ammonia is less basic than methylamine. So, methylamine is less basic than dimethylamine. Hence, the correct option for the question is option D. Next one, question number 21. The reaction of benzene diazonium chloride with aniline yields yellow dye. The name of the yellow dye is. So, let us write a reaction for this. It has been mentioned as what? Reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. So, this is the formula for benzene diazonium chloride, C6H5N2 plus and Cl minus, when it is made to react with what? Aniline. So, this is the formula for aniline, that is C6H5NH2. So what they are telling here, there is an existence of hydrogen. When it is subjected to reaction, what happens? HCl gets eliminated. So when HCl gets eliminated, what we are going to get? Benzene ring binded with N2, that is N double bond N, which is further binded with a benzene ring along with NH2. This is known as, at para position there is amine group. This is known as para amino. This group is called as azo group, azobenzene. Hence, the name of this particular product is called as para amino azobenzene, which is given by the option B. Next, question number 22. Nupo, question number 22. Which of the following is more basic than aniline? The options are what? Diphenylamine. So, it has been mentioned as what? Diphenylamine. So, this is diphenylamine, which is option A. Next, option B is what? Triphenylamine is option B. So, there is an existence of how many benzene ring? 3 benzene rings. This is known as triphenylamine. Third option is what? Para-nitroaniline. Third option is para-nitroaniline. So, para position nitro. This is NH2, para-nitroaniline. And fourth option is what? Benzyl amine. That is C6H5CH2NH2. So, here in all these cases, so we know that nitrogen contains one set of lone pair of electrons present in it. In first case, since benzene withdraws the electron density, hence the electron density on this nitrogen decreases. Here benzene is surrounded with 3 phenyl rings. Electron density on this nitrogen is again decreased. Since in this case para-nitroaniline, nitro group is an electron withdrawing group, hence these electrons will be delocalized in benzene rings. Whereas in benzylamine, these electrons, means the NH2 group is attached to an active methylene group where these lone pair of electrons can be donated easily. Hence, option D, that is benzyl amine, is exhibiting more basic nature as compared to that of aniline. Next one, question number 23. Which of the following will be the most stable diazonium salt? So, we know that the stable diazonium salt is what? C6H5N2 plus X minus. This is the more stable diazonium salt because of its resonance stabilization. So, since it undergoes resonance stabilization, out of the given salts, C6H5N2 plus and X minus is the most stable diazonium salt, which is given by the option B. Next, question number 24. Which of the following is least soluble in water at 298 Kelvin? So here, when it comes to different amines, the first option is methylamine, second option is trimethylamine, and third option is dimethylamine, and fourth option is aniline. So we always know that aromatic amines. So here the aromatic amine that is given is what? It is aniline. These aromatic amines are always insoluble in what? Water. Hence the least soluble amine at 298 Kelvin is aniline, which is given by C6H5NH2, and the correct option for that question is option D. So last one, that is question number 25. If aniline is treated with 1:1 mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, para-nitroaniline and meta-nitroaniline are formed nearly in equal amounts. This is due to, so here the NH2 group which is present in aniline is always either orthodirecting group or it is a para-directing group. When NH2 group is orthodirecting or para-directing, it activates the benzene ring. When I tell that it activates the benzene ring, means the electrons can be delocalized, and in the presence of acids, the aniline will get, in the presence of an acid. So since it has been mentioned that the reaction is taking place in the presence of an acid, so in the presence of an acid, aniline gets protonated. So in the presence of an acid, aniline always gets protonated to form anilinium ion. So it can form what? Anilinium ion, which is represented as NH3 with a positive sign on nitrogen, which is a meta-directing and deactivating. Hence, the correct option for this particular question is option B, which is known as protonation of NH2, which causes deactivation of benzene ring. Thank you.